the 2005 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated four-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.